Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make TikTok in Infinite Craft. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. To make TikTok in Infinite Craft, just follow these easy steps. As you can see, what I'm doing here, follow these as my one. Follow my things back to back to make TikTok. Here you can see music has been created. Now song, music and song, dance created. Again water and fire, steam. Again add fire to make engine. 2 engines is equals to rocket. Now satellite has been created. Now you can see your TikTok is already made. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.